No, what's in the because I said why I recall.
This is Ishao TV. Akuapem Poloo has finally addressed the nation. This is all. This is what Ghanaians have been waiting for. Akuapem Poloo are done emotional. It pain you. Let's go and watch the full video.
I would like to say a big thank you to the Honorable Attorney General, Mr. Godfred Dami, for his great support and for representing the government at large in taking this matter up as an exceptional case, considering the situation of my 7-year-old son. My special thanks also go to all those who in one way or the other worked behind the scene to support my cause. Of course, I cannot forget to say thank you to all my lawyers.
Wow. See the number of people. Wow. Akuapem Poloo, Charlie, you've made it. You've made it, man. You've made it.
All my lawyers who came to assist me in one way or the other since this matter started, and in particularly Mr. Andrew Botia, Gangster Temaklo, John Kwame, Quincy, Ohini Nana,
Challenge and that from reading, I know a thing how she's struggling to read.
Please, my English is not good, so the word.
Oh, I said my English is not good, so please, see you back kindly be a more fun, sir. I won't just here. I'll go and burn the seed.
Felix Nana and etc. And the rest of the legal team. I also want to thank persons like those called celebrities, the Nigerian blogger Monfa, CCB Niger, Tonto DK, Linda Nkeji, Tunde Ednots, Cardi B, my spirit twinnie, DKB, Reggie, Raston, the legendary, Sarkodie, Efia Noftana, Habiba Sinari, Mama McBrown, the legendary, Kwakesie, Prince Kennedy, Nation blogger, Inkokonsan, Zion Felix, GH Hyper, Ronnie is everywhere. A lot, and all my bloggers. Please, I can't mention all of your name. But please, I'm so grateful. I saw everything when I came back.
Wow, she's very grateful for all the bloggers that she's mentioning. Congratulations, the Ghanaian bloggers. Akuapem Poloo is now out. Thank you very much.
I saw all the support you use your blog to do for me, especially the hashtag Free Akuapem Poloo. I saw it and I was home, but I was still crying because I didn't know I have so much people who love me like this. And finally, I want to thank the rest of my fans, both home and abroad, especially my lovely brothers and sisters in Nigeria and the rest of Africa for standing by me in this matter. And last but not the least, to my pastors, all religion leaders who in one way or the other said a prayer for me on this matter. I say God bless you all. In fact, I cannot finish thanking everyone, but God bless everyone for me. I really appreciate everything. Thank you so much. Thank you. Me papa no. I'm outside Ghana. Me say me think when you is so. Either OPPR or Kwame. Ewo Mamuchi. I'm here to me. And you'll be a and I say wait what me feel. Me say me Daniel Kukomasi. Say what me ejimi. Etiemi Bible ejimi fiasi. Me say me that. If I say me Daniel Kukomasi so you me fiasi we. Me say me that me papa ayem president. Nana Akuapem I say, so me young media for and me fans. Match if I send a petition. A man, one looking on me. Now, oh, see me. Now, I told the general to be so. Now, see me. No, see me. No, see me because I said why I become.
Oh, Charlie, can we go about my emotional? All right. Okay, Akuapem Poloo, my emotional.
Let's get us some tissue, please.
Okay, so let's leave it here for the time. Maybe just a question. What was it like being in prison? No.
I support you, my brother. No room for question.
Look at question here. Obibi said, how was it like being in prison? How long Unkwan or co-prisoner? Must start to say, how was it like being in prison? Ghana for the year, Akuapem Poloo, and then the one no. Man, I'm really sorry for her, but it's a lesson. And as I said yesterday, she's going to be a strong woman after this incident. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing to the channel for more. Bye bye.